Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to start affiliate marketing as you are a beginner in 2022. In this channel, I will explain how to make money online and review best digital tools that will be help grow your business. Guys, before watching our video, let's see what I will show you today. What is affiliate marketing? How it works, how to start affiliate marketing. Then I will show you how to start affiliate marketing. Step number 1, find an affiliate marketplace. Step 2, find the best product. Step 3, get an affiliate link. Step 4, promote your link. Step 5, make affiliate commission. So guys, let's dive in. So guys, what is affiliate marketing? When you promote others people product, then people buy this product through your link. Then you can earn a small amount of commission. That's a affiliate marketing, guys. How it works? At first, you can join a affiliate program. Then you can choose a best product and promote this product. And finally, you can earn a commission. This is the process for affiliate marketing. And how to start affiliate marketing? Guys, affiliate marketing is the legit method to make money online. A successful affiliate marketer easily make $1,000 per day. There are many ways you can start affiliate marketing, but all are not good for beginners. At first, you can choose a affiliate marketplace. There are two types affiliate program in the world. One is physical product and two is digital product. The popular physical product is Amazon, Walmart, eBay, share sale, etc. And digital products marketplace is Clickbank, Warrior Plus, JBju. When you promote physical product, they provide a small amount of commission, like 5%, 3%, 2%, 10% product. But when you promote digital products like Clickbank, JBju, Warrior Plus, they can provide 15%. They can provide 50%, 75%, 30%, 40%. This is the huge. So guys, I like digital products. Today I will show you digital products to marketplace. One is JBju, other is Warrior Plus. JBju is a digital product marketplace. Like software, ebook, how to make money online, course, etc. And Warrior Plus is the same. You can easily join this marketplace. JBju and Warrior Plus marketplace sign up process is very easy. When you search jbju.com, you can start instant affiliate program. This is very easy, guys. You can type your name, email address, password, confirm password. You can type your country and register, and 1 or 2 days they can approve your account. On the other hand, Warrior Plus is the same process. You can easily join this marketplace. When you can join affiliate marketplace, then you can find the best product. But guys, there are a lot of products in JBG marketplace. On the other hand, Warrior Plus, there are many products in their marketplace, but all are not good. How you can understand which product is best for promoting? So guys, we can type a Untitled.com. Basically, Untitled is a product launch calendar. When they publish their product, JBju, Warrior Plus marketplace, you can see Untitled.com because product owner publish their product which day they can launch their product. There are many products in this site. When you can see some products are yellow color, this product is best compared to other products. So guys, you can click this product and click here. You can visit this product sales page and then you click affiliate link and request approval. When I am get link approve this product, let's see what I am writing. Hi, this is Tambeka is the product vendor name, and I want to, and then you can click request offer. When you approve this product, you can receive your email, or you find this product your affiliate marketplace, you can easily get link. There is your affiliate link, guys. So guys, at this moment you know how you can find the best product. Step 4, promote your link. So guys, how you can promote this product. In this video I'll show you 2 methods you can promote. Yes guys, these sites are totally free. At first I will show you Google site how you can get free traffic. When they approve your product, you can see like this product name, keyword bars bundle, and type Google keyword bars bundle review. Can you see guys, this product is good product because people add this product. We can click this, another one, we can click this. When people buy this product, they can search Google and type review. They can review this product. Another one we can see, there's a keyword bars product review article. So guys, when you approve this product, then you can create your blog and write a product review article. When you publish your article in the Google, what you need? Step 1, create a website. You can easily create your website WordPress platform, because WordPress platform is very beginner friendly. You can easily create your website. When you create your website, then step 2, you can buy a domain and hosting. I will recommend Bluehost, because Bluehost is the most popular web hosting platform in the online marketing world. When you buy this hosting platform, they can provide free domain for first year. You don't need a buy domain name, because they will provide free domain for first year. You can find this hosting platform in the description box. Then step 3, you can buy a theme. I will recommend a generate press theme. This theme you can find in the description box. So step 4, email marketing software. When customer click your product link, you don't provide your sales page, because a customer does not buy any product just for one moment. What this solution? When they click your site, you can create a thank you page and collect their email address. But customer does not provide their email address. You can some tips and tricks provide them, like a ebook or blog or video. Product niche, like your product is make money online, you can provide how they can make money online in 19 days. I will recommend email marketing software GetResponse. There are 4 options you can choose. A free option, 500 email address without any cost, and the other hand you can buy this product $15 per month and $48, $97, and you can choose your contact. So guys, I can recommend this email marketing software in my description box. So guys, there's the process. You can create your website. When people search their product review content and find your blog, they can find your blog and read full product review. They buy this product through your link and you can make a commission. So guys, the second option is YouTube. Okay, YouTube is the second biggest search engine platform. Watching a video before they can purchase. So guys, you can see this the same product keyword bars under review. This guy make a review video, 571 view. On the other end, this guy's 52 view. Other guys make a review video, 83 view. So guys, how you can start? So guys, when you create a video, what do you need? At first, you can need a microphone. I will recommend that you can buy this microphone. This microphone is a Logitech for Creators Blue Yeti microphone. I hope this is the best microphone. This microphone provide high quality audio sound. You can find this microphone in my description box. Step 2. Make a catchy thumbnail. When you create a beautiful thumbnail, it is very chance to people click your video. But if you don't know how to make a catchy thumbnail, don't worry guys, I have a great solution for you. You can go to fiverr.com, search thumbnail. This guy create a thumbnail, 900 work and 5-star review. The starting $10. So guys, you can easily create your thumbnail. This guy, you can find this guy in my description box. Step 3. Proper SEO. There are many video in the YouTube, but how you can rank your video? When you can create your video, you create your thumbnail, you can write a proper title, write a article in the description, proper keyword in your video. Step 4. Keyword research tool. When you added your keyword your video, but how you can find the proper keyword? So guys, I can recommend TubeBuddy. I will recommend TubeBuddy software. This software is a great for YouTube keyword research. You can easily find the best keyword your video. On the other hand, another great software you can find. This software is named BDIQ. This is another great software. You can easily find your best keyword. These two software you will find in my description box. And finally, you can need a email marketing software. Why email marketing software is important? When customer through your link in the sales page, you don't recommend that sales page. At first, you visit your thank you page, collect your target audience email, and then you can easily promote your product any time. You easily promote your product there with this email marketing software. Get response. I will recommend it. You can easily find this software in my description box. So guys, if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my future video. So bye guys.